Okay guys, so I just want to show you the new version of Ableton Live that came out a few hours ago. And I managed to get over 200 tracks actually with this version. And this was with the new MacBook Pro M1 Pro that I got only 32 tracks with in the last test. And here I'm getting over 200 tracks playing. So there's a major difference here. I don't know what they did, but it seems to work now. It still behaves a bit strange because sometimes the project crashes on me and it takes forever to just duplicate one track or delete any track or save the project or anything. And the CPU meter goes to 2000% and then down from there. That is strange. I didn't see that in Ableton before. It still works, it still plays the track without any problems, any hiccups or anything, but it goes to 2000% and then it goes down, 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 way down until about 50-60%. And then it plays it pretty good. So if I play this track, you will see the strange behavior on the CPU meter here. It still does some crackling here, but it's not that much. I had it on 215 tracks and it played it perfectly. Then it suddenly started to make these different noises, and I started deleting them one by one until I got to 205 tracks, and then it played perfectly, and now it starts to struggle with 205 tracks as well. So I don't know if that's because I'm having some background processes in the computer that makes it interfere with Ableton, or if it's something else. But you can see a different thing now. It's that I have all of these 205 tracks active, and it's still idling from 0 to 2-3% maybe only. So what I did with the test before, only with that 32 tracks being active at the same time, that one was idling from 10 to 15%. So I can really see that they did something good here. I think they have some work to do still because it doesn't work as it should. And I also did another test with the same Ableton Live beta version, but I ran it with Rosetta. So it's not running natively through with the ARM universal build, but it's still running through the Intel version. And there I managed to get about 180 tracks, so it's still very, very good. Okay, that is it for this video now. I will have a look at all of the updates that are upcoming, and I will report as soon as I see any difference.